Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what we got here today. Today we have another great product from Ryzen Hobby from Team Losi. And this is the Mini-T 2.0. Let's open it up and see what there is inside. Those are tiny cars that are big fun. Let's open it up and see what there is. So, of course, everything packed really nice. They have quality product and they don't want anything to break. When you get the box and you open it first, you're gonna get the instruction, and inside over here you're gonna have some tools, and they give you actually even batteries for the remote. I recommend not to use them and use some good Duracell, not rechargeable batteries, just Duracell for the remote. Will work a million times better and more range. Then other side, they're already giving you a list of all the upper parts that you can make to make your car much better, and we're going to go over those in a second, because what's going on here is this is a very cool car and you can make it a great car. Now let's open it up and pull the car out. There's a lot of small boxes here, and pull the remote and whatever else there is. So it's a tiny remote, and it's also arrived with a USB charger. That it's a USB charger for a 2S LiPo battery, because this vehicle arrived with a 2S LiPo. The remote that they're giving you is a very basic remote. I'm adult 3XL hand, and this is still working pretty good for me. It just looks very cheap. They still have the steering trim over here, of course, channel 3. It's even have a third channel to do something with. In servo reverse, very simple remote. I think for the price you cannot really beat that, but I know you want to see the car. So without any further ado, there it is. Let's look at it. So look at this beauty. It's a tiny car, and I'm going to show the bigger brother of it in a second, the Mini-8. Forgive me, my throat is killing me. Before you even look at the top, look at the bottom. This vehicle is aluminum frame. It is plastic parts for the A-arm, for the lower arm, but it is aluminum frame. That this is pretty good, because it's a good base to start building a project on it after you start damaging it. The suspension on it is pretty awesome. The rebound on it is feel very, very professional. If someone at the factory took it and actually put the oil the right way, so it's pretty cool. Let's bring it closer a little bit. Okay, so on the front, when you look from the front, it looks pretty tough. They gone with kind of like those bodies when they used to sell them, used to call Bulldog. So this is the Bulldog kind of front vehicle. And correct me if I'm mistaken. I'm sure someone will do that on the comment below. Now this is a rear-wheel drive, so the front here is kind of loose. And just to give some people idea what you can do with stuff like that, you can do speed run vehicle with those, because when you have the rear wheel drive on the small scale like this, you can actually pull it out and actually put a nice body on it and make a drag racing car out of it. But it's great as a buggy. Let's open it up and show you what there is underneath, because it's pretty awesome. Okay, so to start, as soon as you remove the body, you can see that it's all stuffed with all sort of goodies. So this thing right here, this box, this is actually going to be your battery. This is your LiPo battery. It's a 2S 7.4 20C battery. It's actually going to be pretty good. And what you need for this is going to be just to charge the battery and go. Okay, I noticed that the camera was a little bit off, so I decided to bring it closer. Okay, so again, so this is your battery, and the battery just sliding underneath here. And this is your ESC. It's kind of an all-in-one. I'm not really in favor of the all-in-one, but for this small vehicle it will work just fine. But later, just for a point, there is a 280 brushed motor here. There is racing small 280 motors that can fit here, and you can put a brushless system on it that will make it actually much cooler vehicle. And it's already come with a Spectrum servo. They have the SE107. It's okay servo. They have a good Servo Saver on it. I think overall this vehicle is pretty small and pretty good for what it is. And I think for kids that just get into the hobby, let's zoom in a little bit. If you just get into the hobby, I think that this is going to be a great vehicle to start with, because the part will be very low cost and also the upgrade will be low cost, but then you're going to have something that is really, really cool. Now let's move it aside right here, and I'm going to bring something very similar. This one, it's look much bigger, but it's not. Let's see right there. Sorry. This is the Mini-8. This is a 1/14 scale, and this is kind of a 1/18 scale, okay? Even though I think it's smaller than a 1/18. So what we got here is a 1/18 scale truggy, and this is the old version of this truggy, like you know, a 1/14, and this was brushless electric, ready to run with everything. So just so you guys see a little bit size comparison real quick. Anyway, this thing is available right now at MotoStyles shop, 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we're going to show you how those vehicles running. And I have a couple other cool video coming. Bye.